Good morning. This is Jim at appointment 1099235. What we're looking at, we're in about a 1,400 square foot, 3-level townhome in Chicago. So, near as we can tell, the place was probably built in 72. The current air conditioner is up on the roof with no access to it. So we're looking at options at changing it. You'll see the line set kind of goes up and then up through a chase through the dwelling to the rooftop. We do not have a balcony, and we would have to do a crane off the street, which is dicey because of parking. So the better plan is to relocate into the courtyard, which you're going to see over here real briefly. So I'll take you out there in a second. But in addition to that, we have a closet that side to side has about 26 inches. But within this closet is everything that we need. We have the circuit panel, which is a GE box. The AC is on a 30 amp. The furnace is on a 15 amp. There are 3 extra slots, but you're not going to need them. In the back there is also a hot water tank that she's looking at updating. And we're going to have to coordinate between the plumber and the electrician and the HVAC guy. Normally, I try to schedule them on different days, but that's not going to be possible. They're just going to have to work and play in the same sandbox at the same time. But that is also doable. It's not terribly scary. So we've got a 100,000 BTU furnace with nominal measurements of 17 by 29 by 33. We have a uncased coil contained in a plenum that is 17 by 21 by forever, so that's not an issue. The flue pipe for the hot water tank would literally make them condemn the hot water tank. You can just see it's not just rust, it's holes going into the chimney there. The flue pipe for the furnace is equally as rusty from the inside, just based on, as I've leaned on it, hearing the rust go. There is a humidifier back over here, but it hasn't worked since Elizabeth moved into the place. It does have a needle valve as opposed to a ball angle stop for it. So we're looking at updating that as well. The gas valve for both the hot water tank and the furnace should be replaced. So whoever put this furnace in did at least install a electric shutoff switch for the furnace, and then use BX to feed into the furnace, which is kind of interesting. Our return is 10 by 20. I think it's 10 by 20, but let me get the side measurement here. Yeah, 10 by 20. So as you can see, you have to step out of the closet to change your mind. So we're gonna, yeah.
Perfect.
All right, so we're out in the courtyard, and we're literally adjacent to the wall where you see the electric pipe. And there actually is electric that feeds, so they may be able to use that pipe. Otherwise, it's really very, very simple to bring the electric pipe through. And then probably what would have to happen is the disconnect will be on the wall outside the alcove, and the AC will be in the alcove but it will be far enough away, so basically real close to where the Weber is, so that she still has access to the water pipe out here. All right, I'm gonna.
Here's the thermostat.
So we have a basic digital thermostat. Now, do we want to chat up here?
Yeah, have a seat.
All right, let's see.